In this video, we'll look at how Alation helps analysts better understand the quality, structure, and patterns within newly discovered data sources as they build out actionable insights. This process is often broken down into two steps: sampling and profiling. And in this video, we'll be focusing on data sampling to get our initial insights. Sampling retrieves a specified number of rows from each table in a data source and aims to give Alation users a quick preview of the data content through table and column level catalogue pages. Let's take a look at this in action. From our homepage, we can search for craft beer, select the first result in the list, the craft beer financial fact table. We can scroll down through this table's catalogue page to view the columns present in the data dictionary, but we can also switch tabs here to look at sampled records from this table, in this case 100 rows of data. As an analyst, this can be a great way to get familiar with some real data from this source, perhaps to understand the size or magnitude of numeric data, or to see how text-based descriptors are captured on a row-by-row basis. It's important to know that even in this view, Alation respects any privacy measures that may have been applied to the data. Let's try a different source and explore this a little further. We'll search for customer, and this time we'll bring back the table for our financial customer. If we head to the sampled data here, we can see that our email column is coming back as masked in the sample. So what's happening here to cause us to see masked data? Let's head back to our column definitions and drill down into our email column to explore further. In the email column, we can scroll down the attributes to the right-hand side and see that this field has an attached policy, known as the Sensitive Data Masking Policy. Let's drill through and see if we can find out more. In this case, we're presented with a dynamic data masking instruction that when a column is tagged with either PII or PCI, then this data is automatically replaced in our view with a mask. We're even guided to the name of a data steward if we have further questions about this policy at the top of the screen. Let's navigate back to our email column and confirm that yes, we do in fact see PII tagged against this column that automatically generates the mask as per the policy. On the administration side, sampling is configured at the data source level, as we can see if we head into our Snowflake data source via the settings option. Under the data sampling tab, we see configuration settings that allow us to run automated or dynamic sampling, as well as the ability to set an automated refresh schedule for samples, so that analysts are always informed by a sample of the latest data. In this video, we've covered sampling as a means for analysts to better understand the quality, structure, and patterns within data sources as they work to find, understand, and trust the best data to answer their questions. Visit alation.com to learn more about Alation, the leading data intelligence platform.